I'm Annie Shapero, Sommelier and the founder of Divino. You know when they ask if you could have anyone you wanted, dead or alive, over for dinner?
I'm Hillary Clinton, and after the 2016 election, I talked about how I coped with the loss.
We all coped in our own way. Some of us learned video editing.
I went to some incredible Broadway shows.
And I watched all 8 seasons of 24 again, twice. Doesn't it feel like we're living in season 5?
Had the occasional glass of Chardonnay. And
I too had the occasional glass of Chardonnay. Sometimes I had the occasional glass of Sancerre. Other nights, Cabernet, Chianti. And let's be honest, there were days I poured myself a double bourbon on the rocks.
And most importantly, I started an organization called Onward Together.
That's cool. I totally donated. And that was before this Chardonnay and Broadway incentive was even on the table. You know why? Because, like Hillary, I believe that to protect our democracy, we must actively participate in it.
And now I want to share all of those things with you.
Really? There's so much I would love to share with you too, Hillary.
To join me for a glass of Chardonnay and a Broadway show.
I would love that. Just imagine how much we could learn from each other. You could teach me about the intricacies of healthcare policy, and I could teach you about volatile aromatic compounds and why your Chardonnay has notes of bananas and pineapple.
Now, another thing that helped me move on were the thoughtful, encouraging letters that I received from people from across our country.
I wrote you one. I also sprayed it with perfume. I hope you don't think that's weird. I believe in the power of scent and its ability to inspire emotion, and I thought the floral notes might be appealing, or at least calming. Anyway, here's to you, Hillary. Onward together.